Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a dummy that responds, okay? Because some dummy doesn't respond like players, so yeah, let's do it. So first you're gonna spawn a rig, of course, any rig you want here, just choose whatever you want. So we're gonna choose is the block rig, and then all I need to do, oops, there we go. And all you need to do is add a script inside the dummy, and you can name it anything you want, but for me I'm gonna name it respawn. And then we're gonna do the script, so just follow what I do and copy what I did. So local model script.Parent, then local humanoid model.Humanoid, and then local respawnTime. This the cooldown that how many seconds or time it will respawn. So I'm gonna do is 3 seconds, and then we're gonna do is local model clone, and then model.Parent, so game.ReplicatedStorage. Then all we need to do is humanoid.Died, connect with the function, and then model waits, respawnTime, and then model.Clone.Parent and model.Parent, then model destroy. So that's it. So we're gonna add a sword to kill the dummy. So sword, and then this looks nice, I guess, but I gotta go to the simple one. Yep, and then play. So here we go. We have this, and we're gonna kill the dummy. And there. Oops. Wait. I forgot to anchor the humanoid root pod. Make sure to unanchor the humanoid root pod and check the anchored. So now play again. After that, we're gonna kill the dummy to test it out, of course. So let's wait 5 seconds. Yeah, there we go. It responds back. If you move it really far, it will respond the same position where it placed. So here, and it will respond here. See, it will respond what position it was been spawned in the first place. So just move this, maybe something bug. Try it. Yep, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and yeah, see you in the next video that I will make soon. I kinda post weekly, so yeah, this is my first time making a video, so just kinda trying it out. And sorry for my bad English. I'm really bad at English because I'm not really from UK. Actually, yeah. So bye bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, bye.